Hi there, welcome to another educational and insightful video on Change Space Labs. In this video, we will break down one of the most talked about technologies today, blockchain. We are going to keep it simple, use real-life examples, and also show you how this technology is already transforming industries around the world. Just before we dive in, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. At its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger, a notebook or a spreadsheet, but it's not your regular notebook. Imagine a digital book that everyone can see and verify, but no one can change without everyone knowing. This makes blockchain an extremely secure way to store and share information. Here is how it works. Imagine a row of boxes, each box containing some data. These boxes are chained together in a specific order, so the information in one box is linked to the one before and the after it. These boxes are called blocks, and the chain is a chain, hence the name blockchain. Each block has three key components. The first is the data. This could be anything from transaction details, contracts to personal records. The second component is called hash. Think of this as a unique fingerprint for that block. It identifies the block and all its components, while the third key component is called the previous hash. This links the blocks to the one before it, creating a chain. If someone tries to change the information in a block, the block's fingerprint changes, and because the blocks are linked together, everyone will notice the change immediately, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. But what makes blockchain truly unique and secure isn't just its structure, it's how it's maintained. Look at this. Instead of having one central authority like a bank or a government, blockchain is decentralized. This means copies of the blockchain exist on different computers all over the world, called nodes. When a new transaction is added, all the nodes must agree that it's valid before it's added to the chain. This process is known as consensus. Because it's decentralized and transparent, blockchain is incredibly difficult to hack or manipulate. Now let's look at some real-life examples to see how blockchain is used today. Example number 1. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You have probably heard of Bitcoin. It was the first application of blockchain technology and is still the most well-known. Bitcoin uses blockchain to keep a record of every transaction ever made, ensuring that no one can spend the same Bitcoin twice, known as the double spending problem. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, we have made a detailed video of what cryptocurrency is. Check the description box for the link. But please note this, blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies. Example 2. Supply chain management. Let's say you order a product online, like a smartphone. How do you know it's not a counterfeit? Here's where blockchain comes in. Companies like IBM and Walmart use blockchain to track the joining of products through their supply chains. Every step from the factory to the store is recorded on a blockchain, so you can see exactly where your product came from. This increases transparency and reduces the chances of fraud. Example 3. In the healthcare services. In healthcare, blockchain can be used to keep track of patient records. Today, your medical history might be stored in different places, your doctor's office, the hospital, or your pharmacy. Blockchain can bring all these records together in one secured and unchangeable location, which you can access anytime from anywhere. Aside that, it ensures that your data is safe and consistent. It enhances research efficiency, as researchers can access variety of data to work with. Companies like MedRec are already implementing this technology to improve patient care. Blockchain is also making wave in other sectors like the voting systems. Blockchain can ensure voting is transparent and tamper-proof, reducing fraud and increasing trust in the electoral process. Also for digital identity, companies like Microsoft are developing blockchain-based digital identities, giving people more control over their personal information online. In the smart contracts, these are self-executing contracts where the terms are written directly into the code. Companies like Ethereum use smart contracts to automate agreements, ensuring they are carried out exactly as programmed without the need for intermediaries. So why does all this matter? Blockchain is a game changer because it creates trust where isn't any. By making information transparent, decentralized, and nearly impossible to alter, blockchain opens up new possibilities for innovations across multiple industries. Of course, like any technology, blockchain isn't perfect. It's still relatively new and there are challenges like the amount of energy needed to power blockchain network and the complexity of the technology itself. But companies around the world are investing heavily in blockchain research and development. As blockchain evolves, we expect it to become even more efficient and widespread, driving new advancement in finance, healthcare, supply chain, and even beyond. So now you understand what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal. Whether you are into cryptocurrency, supply chain, or just interested in the future of technology, blockchain is something worth keeping an eye on. Just before we wrap it up, here's a quick question for you. Give me one feature of blockchain technology that makes it beneficial. Drop your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insight into the world of Web3. See you in the next video. Bye.